My video will provide you with help to get rid of the adware called CargoVictory. CargoVictory is the adware that actually is from the adload family. This adware attacks Mac computers only. This adware, by the way, may be spread through integration with some free applications. So in most of the cases, users just download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If this CargoVictory was mistakenly installed to your browser, to your Mac computer, you need to check your available Mac applications, find this CargoVictory, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. Also, I would recommend you to additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.